Happy Founders Day, sorors. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and today we are doing something real cute for the Super Bowl. So if you're having a little party, you're gonna be the thing there. They're gonna be like, oh, who made these? Me. Today we are making California? You're not. Today we are making, what are we making today? Today we are making cauliflower street tacos. I've already made these before, so I already know they are delicious. Let's get started. Okay, let's start off with the Pico de Gallo. 1/4 cup of onion. Let's do a 4 for the jalapeno. 1/2 tablespoon of garlic. 1/2 tablespoon of oil. The struggle juice of 1 lime. Some salt. And some pepper. The longer this sits, the better. Now let's make our avocado cream sauce. Full avocado. No! No!
So after you finish crying over the lime juice that you spilled because it took a while to juice, you add that to the blender.
Another juice of 1 lime. These are just some cashews I soaked in hot water for an hour, so let's drain these and add them to the blender. Some salt and pepper. Alright, let's give this a little taste, see if we like it. It's missing a little kick. I hate using artificial stuff. I know, y'all. I'm just gonna use like a drop, like, let me see. Let's do 1, 2. That's it. Okay, maybe 3, 4. If I had some more limes, I would use it, but you know, spilled that. That smells good. Okay, so we're about to make our cauliflower meat. Start off with some olive oil, purple onion, and garlic. Yes, baby, it was on sale, cauliflower rice. Of course, you can write your own cauliflower, but this is way less messy, and it was on sale. All right, so this is about 2½ cups worth of cauliflower. Y'all gonna be so proud of me. I prepped the seasonings. This is not beautiful. This is what you see on Pinterest. Anyway, in goes some chili powder, some cumin, garlic powder, oregano, pepper, salt, paprika, and onion powder. Put it in, because you prepped it and you made it pretty. I'm gonna add in 1 more cap full of oil. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn the heat off and let this cook on residual. While our cauliflower meat softens, let's go ahead and heat up our street tacos. 3 of these in the oven.
These don't smell the best, but it said use corn tacos, so just following instructions.
And we're done. There you go. Cauliflower street tacos. Get you some. Get you a piece. Yeah. As you guys know, I'm still on Whole30, so the tortilla is not an option for you, girl. So I am making the Whole30 friendly lettuce plate, which is okay because you're still gonna stunt in front of your friend.
They gonna be like, ooh, you look sad.
All right, guys. So I'm done with my plate. It actually doesn't look that bad while I was talking about it, and I have my friend to come taste the one that I can't eat. Yay! You guys remember her from my taste test number? I'll put it right here on the screen, and here's her Instagram, also right here on the screen. Okay. Yep. Yeah. How was the tortilla? It smelled weird to me. Is that the tortilla's good?
It tastes good.
Okay. Yeah, this is good.
This is good.
And Whole30ers, we still in there. This is delicious too. Guys, I forgot I have cilantro to like really set it off. Like she's like, you take it or leave it. It don't even matter.
Not really. Either way, it's still good. I guess it adds a little fresh herb.
It does, yeah. I forgot I had in the thing.
so zooming in on that moment. Just let you know when I edit this, it's gonna zoom in.
What kind of sauce is that?
Y'all know what it is already. So as always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you next time.